Right, so this is day 19 of the YesCom incubator. Anyways, just wanted to show you that we've got so far 15 babies hatched. Trying to pull them out and keep them separate of the incubator. I don't want them to get smashed. We had only out of 15, 2 of them not make it. One of them was born a little weird. Had his guts on the outside of him. Not good. And then the other one, I think he just got a little too cold and sickly. But out of 15 so far, only 2. And it's not because of the incubator. I think the incubator is doing a fine job. Now, look right here. You can see a little beak. See that little guy? Look at that. And then he's got another sibling over here. Been working on that. Got a couple of eggs cracking. He'll be out here soon. Not very long. He's already cracked this other side too, it looks like. I think. Maybe not. But we've got another one up under here. Oh, there it is. It's got that egg cracked right there. You can see. He's getting ready to come out. And then I saw one right here. It's got a little spot opened up. So we're going to have a few more. Anyways, thanks for watching again. And stay tuned. Hopefully I can bring you some more videos as things progress. So please like and subscribe to my videos.